Hello friends, hope you're doing well. Today is another video where we will be working on that EP or album with a friend of mine. And just like the last time, I'll be following the same set of rules and just doing my best to ensure I maintain the creative vision of my friend who worked so hard to bring these ideas to life. This is the last song actually, guys, so we're gonna do our best to make it memorable, and I'm gonna work on cleaning it up as well because I didn't manage to do this initially. After this song, all the other videos in this playlist will be about mixing, then also making, creating the resources for you guys so you can download them when the album comes out, and you'll be able to watch all the mixing sessions, and I won't cut those up so that you guys can see exactly my mixing process. So let's get straight to work, and as usual you guys will listen to this album with myself, and I'll also start the time as usual so that I don't waste any time, I don't overthink, and I just in the flow of the process. Here we are, let's have a look at what's here. It's in this project now. You know, render and replace, that's one of the big things I'll do.
Something for me and more. Some mind your body and your soul. And more. Something